Look at this. Here we are. It is beautiful St. Thomas, guys. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we are back here on board the Carnival Breeze. I am here with Mama Hokum and Miss Erica. Lauren's still getting ready, and Peter's also getting ready, but we are here on board the Carnival Breeze, and we are getting ready to arrive in our beautiful port of call today, being St. Thomas. Well, once again, a very good morning to you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I'm going to be your host today for this amazing journey that we're going to have in St. Thomas. So excited to finally be getting back. Mama Hokum, when was the last time that we were in St. Thomas?
2013.
Dear God, has it really been that long?
It has.
2013, so 2013, the last time I was in St. Thomas. Now, right now it is, I've got 9:27 on my clock. We are supposed to arrive at 9:30. So, there it is, I mean 11:30, yeah. There it is, right there, straight ahead. There is St. Thomas. We are steaming, full steam ahead. Have you seen it? Yeah, there it is, right there. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Spray.
It is. They're cleaning something up there. Look, there it is. Oh, well, that would have been good info to know. Okay, let's come back inside. Enough of that out there. But yeah, you get the point. We're steaming ahead towards St. Thomas. We're going to be arriving, like I said, about 11:30. So right now, we're heading up to the Lido deck to meet with the group. We're going to have our morning family huddle because I am hosting a group cruise. If you have not tuned into this series thus far, I'm hosting a group cruise. I've got about 30 guests on board. So every single morning, we have a little meeting to kind of talk about what's going to happen today, what our plans are, what Carnival's plans are, what we're doing as a group, and all the fun that's going to be had for the day. So we're heading up to do that right now. After that, we're going to be hanging out at the Sports Square as we pull into St. Thomas, and then we will get off the ship. Today we're heading to Magen's Bay Beach, which is on the top 10 best beaches in the world list, and we're also doing the Sky Explorer up to Paradise Point, so we got amazing views of all the islands surrounding St. Thomas. So it's gonna be a fun day. You don't want to miss it. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ding the notification bell so you don't miss a second of it. Let's get this day going. Oh look, it's the morning show. Here's Miss Lauren. Good morning, Miss Lauren. Hey baby, there's Peter. Peter's fighting a bit of a cold.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, yeah. Hopefully not, but I think that's what it's gonna end up being. He has got a stuffy nose and your throat's itching. Yeah, so I think so. And unfortunately, we don't have any vitamin C or anything. We have allergy pills, but no vitamin C. Here's the pool deck, nice and sunny morning. There it is over there. There's St. Thomas. I am eager to get out and have our amazing day today. It's gonna be so fun. Who is going on that? Who is going? I think most of the group. Who's going on Magen's Bay Beach, right? You're not? You are? Yeah. Okay. So I think everyone. Are you guys going? Yeah. Well, you guys are going to Magen's Bay. Yeah. The ladies.
Grandma, that's why they're late.
What?
Grandma, that's why they're late.
Look, there's no such thing as being late. You're on a cruise, baby. You're on island time. You're on island time, man. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing with David's drink is gonna be alright. As long as David has a drink in his hand.
Hold on to it.
So we're up here at the Sports Square. We just had our morning family huddle a few minutes ago. What a great time it is. Always starting the day off right with those wonderful people. But we're up here right now. Look, it's a whale tail. And we got the Sports Square. You guys ready to rock some ropes? Peter, are you ready to rock some ropes?
I'll try it. I'll do it.
Against his will. And look at this. Here is beautiful St. Thomas. Oh, I see a cruise ship. It's Princess right there. So we're definitely in port with a Princess cruise ship today. I'm not sure if there's anything else that we're in port with, but we are definitely in port with Princess. There's a little sailboat coming out. Absolutely beautiful. The approach here to St. Thomas is definitely one of the most beautiful I have ever seen. I mean, we've been sailing right alongside the islands here for going on probably 2.5, 3 hours now. So Really, really is an excellent, excellent port. If you're looking for some port views, some island views, definitely gonna get that if you're coming to visit St. Thomas. But my boy's not die either. Thanks, man. Yeah. All right, babe, let's hit it.
With no hands?
Yeah, you can do it with no hands. Come on, get it. There you go. Boy, look at this amazing view we've got for this today. There comes the pilot boat. See the pilot boat? Looks like we're about to be invaded by pirates. You can switch sides too if you want. Like to see the track? Look. Hey! Where's Tom? Hey, Kay! Hey, boys! I think, nah, you just said I'm getting good at this. He goes, oh, I'm getting good at this now, Josh. All right, let's see you, big boy. Let's see you. See what you're made of. All right. Woo! Woo! Come on, Joe. Get it, Joe. Walk that plank. All right, Pete, let's go. You got it. There you go. There you go. All right now. All right now. Pull back in. Stay close. There you go. See? Look at you. That wasn't so bad. And you wanted to switch sides. Woo! Who is that pretty girl in front of me? Come on, Lauren. Come on, baby. Look at this, David. Look at this. Here we are. It is beautiful St. Thomas, guys. Wow, check it out. We're coming up. So the thing I really like about St. Thomas, have you ever been to St. Thomas, David? Yeah. Probably many times. Yeah. Yeah, with the Navy. But it's protected in like this little harbor here. So we're actually gonna pull in, you'll see there's a bunch of tiny, tiny boats, and this giant mega cruise ship is gonna come in and park right beside of them. So, huh? No, that's Princess. That's Princess right there, yep.
Yeah, that's what we saw. It was like coming in.
I think it's the Caribbean Princess. But look at the color of this water. Look at that. Oh, and they're building this right here. We just docked in St. Thomas and we just did a Facebook Live. So if you're not following me over on Facebook, it's Josh Holcomb YT. Head over, click the like button so you can stay updated with all this behind the scenes here on board the ship. We're getting the Guy's Burger now. All right, Princessa, you ready? What you got, Lauren? What you got there? She's loaded up, she's ready to go. We just dropped down here to the room to pick up our bags and stuff. So we're gonna go eat lunch and then leave straight from there. Oh, should probably put the money up, huh, hun? That'd be good of me. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Got everything, right? Are you guys coming down to the atrium after you get this? We're just gonna take ours down there and eat it. So you want to take yours down and eat it with us. All right. What happened, Lord? The Lord has blessed you. She likes that guy's burger, huh? So we just ran down here to the atrium. We're eating our burger down here. Number one, because it's a lot quieter. Number two, because it's a lot cooler. Number three, because this is where we're meeting our group. So I just wanted to be down here as everybody kind of shows up. And I know that everybody else is grabbing lunch, so they'll be trickling down for the next 20 minutes or so. But we're meeting here. Then we're going to all head off the ship together, head to our excursion meeting point, head on over to Magen's Bay Beach here in St. Thomas. So excited for this amazing day we're about to have. There we go, there we go. All right, so we're heading downstairs. We're gonna get off the ship.
No.
No, yeah, Miss K does not swim. Miss K, Thomas, you are?
I am.
You got to, you got to. Everybody's got their tickets, right? Everybody's got their tickets. Everybody's got their bathing suit. If not, today Magen's Bay is gonna be a nudist beach. All right, I'm going first. On board by 6:30 p.m. ship's time. Thank you. Alright gang, let's go, let's go, let's go. My guys, let's go. My new guys, let's go.
Wherever you go, there you are.
There you are. Beautiful, Thomas. The wise words, ladies and gentlemen, of Mr. Tom Pitcock right there. I'm gonna quote that for you.
Industry, we do have asphalt plants, cement plants, both on St. Thomas and St. Croix. Now look on the left side, we will see some construction going on along the waterfront area. We're adding 2 lanes of traffic. Year 1493. When Christopher Columbus discovered these islands, he found 3 sets.
We're here! Woo! Who's ready to go to the beach? Woo! Is it? Well, we're gonna get wet anyway.
It's like Florida, it rains for 5 minutes.
And it's done.
Exactly.
Haji for president.
You guys wouldn't want me with that job. With my finger on that button, I'd press there about 3-4 times already.
You guys ready? I am excited. Come on, gang. We are going to the beach. All right, so we're here. We've made it Magen's Bay Beach, St. Thomas. Right now, a couple of guys here. Scott, David, and even Beth, they're right back there. Myself, we're heading over to try and get some beach chairs and umbrellas. Now, the way that we've been told that it works is we pay a deposit. We have to take our chairs down to where we're at. And when we bring the chairs and umbrellas back, we get our deposit back. So we'll let you know if that's how it is, but it looks like we're gonna have quite the workout, David.
Well, if it's cheap enough, we just let them keep the deposit.
Yeah, yeah. Everybody's out back there, having just the best time here at Magen's Bay Beach, beautiful St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands. So we ended up getting some chairs and some umbrellas. So what you have to do is you have to head up to the main food building. It's the blue building way down the beach there. And basically the rental, you get a rental and a holding fee. So total for a chair and an umbrella is $45. But you get 25 of that back when you turn the chair and the umbrella back in. So not too bad of prices. It is a little bit expensive, but you know, you are on one of the top 10 best beaches in the world, so you're obviously paying a little bit for that as well. But we're gonna get out in the water, splash around, play around, have some fun. We're here about 2.5 hours today. Plenty of time for our wonderful day here on Magen's Bay. That's nice. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh. Hey family. Where's Scott?
I saw him. He was up on the beach.
He was walking around over there.
Yeah. He just
Oh yeah? We're here.
Oh, what is that?
It's just seaweed.
Oh yeah?
All right, we have enjoyed our time here at Magen's Bay. It was short, it was sweet. I liked it, Luis. What about you? It was fun, it was good. So we've got the lounge chair and the umbrellas back up here to this this silver tent right up here, and then we're back on the bus. We're gonna head over to the Sky Explorer, the Paradise Point, where we're gonna be seeing some amazing views of St. Thomas. If I had to change something for this excursion, I definitely would put that first, and then the beach. That way you can have kind of, you know, even if it was transportation back on your own, at least you're gonna have the whole, you know, rest of your afternoon here on the beach. You're not kind of rushed out. Because I would have liked to have spent a little bit more time here. But it is absolutely breathtaking. If you're looking for an excursion, you gotta come check it out. Magen's Bay Beach here in St. Thomas. Next time, up to the top, up to Paradise Point, straight ahead. So you just made your first Carry Aloha purchase there. Isn't that the coolest view? Here into Fahrenheit 525 Steakhouse, the art at the table.
Awesome.